Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a powerful productivity tool, creating and using custom widgets on teamwork.com. Our first step is to log into our account on teamwork.com. The reason we do this is because we need to access our individual workspace, where we can begin the process of creating our custom widget. Once we're logged in, let's navigate to our dashboard. This is the command center of our workspace, where we can add, remove, and customize widgets. The dashboard helps us because it lets us monitor the information that matters most to us. Now that we're there, look for the Add Widget button. This is where the magic happens, where we can create our personalized widget. Click on it, and you will see a drop-down menu with several options. Let me explain why this matters. Each option represents a different type of widget we can create, such as task lists, time logs, or project updates. Next up, we're selecting Custom Widget from the drop-down menu. This takes us to the Custom Widget creation page. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is now giving us the option to design a widget that specifically fits our needs. Now let's name our widget and decide the type of data it should display. This helps us because it allows us to track specific metrics or updates that are relevant to our work. For example, we can create a widget that shows our upcoming tasks for the week, or one that displays the progress of a particular project. After we've set the parameters, click the Create button. This step signals to Teamwork.com that we're ready to finalize our widget. And just like that, we've created our custom widget. But we're not done yet. Now we need to position our widget on the dashboard. Simply drag and drop it where you want it to appear. This step is important because it allows us to organize our dashboard in a way that best suits our workflow. Now that we've done that, our custom widget is not only created, but also positioned exactly where we want it on our dashboard. We can now use it to keep track of our chosen data at a glance. And there we have it. We've successfully created and used a custom widget on Teamwork.com. This tool helps us to streamline our workflow and stay on top of our tasks. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, productivity is just one widget away.